session prior to last year. I don't remember where was it. Suddenly during Q&A session, one of the audience, it was a startup, where she asked me, Syahrul, why us startups in Malaysia, Islamic-based startups, why don't we get support from the government? Why don't we get support from corporates? Why angel investors? Are we reluctant to invest in us? Are we not that sexy? Are we not good? Are they not? I do have an answer for that, which I can share. But what do you think, Travis? Our startups, our SMEs, what 100 over booths here today.
Right. So I think what maybe the issue might be fear. People might not understand fully. Okay, let's say an Islamic, or kind of business, right? It is more than just slapping a halal logo, all these things. So what does it entail? Finance, whether in investing, what does it entail? So I think there needs to be a lot of clarity, whether maybe the agencies in Malaysia are not effective enough in conveying that message of clarity of what entails. Let's say you are getting funds from this particular investor, which is, let's say, not a Muslim, right? Even what does it entail to qualify to fund, let's say, a particular startup that is focused on the Islamic ventures. So the uncertainty or the lack of clarity or fear might be the issue, where I think the governing bodies are not very effective in that, in terms of conveying the criteria, I believe. Yeah.
I think we should not look only from the government side. Yes, the government has an issue because they're giving all the funds for themselves, but really the whole ecosystem is quite screwed up.
Yep, spot on, Fazil.
It's quite screwed up because really, we spend, Malaysia, Indonesia, all these countries, we spend thousands of ringgit dollars to bring our startup to Silicon Valley. Wow, Central, great. How do they do it? They're amazing. Americans are great. White people are great. What do we learn from it? We come back, we learn nothing. We can't replicate anything because we don't learn what makes them special. Because it's not because they are European, because they're white, they're better. No, everyone has equal opportunity. What makes them better in Silicon Valley? How Silicon Valley creates successful startups? Because they have a culture where people help each other. It's a culture where people help each other unconditionally.